Every day, millions of people order fries. But very few know where they really come from. Behind the scenes, giant factories make them. In seconds, potatoes become fries. Then they're cooked in giant fryers. Frozen. Frozen for transport. Packed and ready to ship. And ready to ship. Shipped to restaurants around the world. But the journey begins far from the kitchen. The journey begins on massive potato farms. Special machines pull potatoes from the earth. The harvest is sorted instantly. Truckloads leave the fields every hour. Fresh potatoes head straight to the factory. The factory receives tons of potatoes every day. Raw potatoes enter the production line. Debris is removed immediately. Heavy washing removes dirt. Now the transformation begins. The first transformation begins with peeling. Powerful machines strip away the skin. Advanced scanners inspect every potato. Each potato is positioned for cutting. In seconds, potatoes become fries. Water channels guide the fries forward. Next comes the blanching process. Heat prepares the fries for cooking. Airflow removes the moisture. Now the real cooking begins. Huge fryers cook thousands of fries at once. Seconds later, they turn golden. Excess oil drains away. Cooling prepares them for freezing. A freezing tunnel locks in freshness. Thousands freeze every minute. Now ready for packaging. Quality checks every batch. Machines pack fries rapidly. Pallets prepare for global delivery. Millions of fries are stored before shipping. Forklifts move the frozen cargo. Refrigerated trucks prepare for transport. Fries begin their journey across the country. Distribution networks deliver nationwide. Regional centers handle the supply. Delivery trucks bring fries to restaurants. Restaurants receive the frozen fries. Ready for cooking anytime. The final step happens in the kitchen. Frozen fries are dropped into hot oil. In minutes, they begin to turn golden. The fries rise from the fryer. Salt adds the final flavor. Now they are ready to serve.
Here you go.
Thanks. Millions are served every day. A simple snack for millions of people. Crispy, golden, and ready.
But the journey began far away.
From farm to table. Factories produce fries at incredible scale. Automation keeps the lines moving. Operators monitor every stage.
Line speed holding steady.
Confirmed. No anomalies.
Thousands of fries move every second. Packaging begins instantly. Each bag is sealed tight. Every shipment is tracked. Robots prepare the shipments. Frozen fries enter cold storage. Ready for distribution. Logistics teams move shipments. Trucks prepare for delivery. The supply chain begins moving. Deliveries travel across the country. Regional hubs manage supply. Orders are prepared for restaurants. Final deliveries begin. Restaurants receive daily shipments. Fresh supply arrives. Ready for cooking. Cooking begins in the kitchen. Hot oil cooks them quickly. Minutes later, they crisp. Fresh fries emerge. Salt adds the final flavor. Ready to serve. Orders are served quickly.
Here are your fries. Thanks.
Millions enjoy them daily. A simple moment for the customer. But a massive system made it possible. An enormous food network. Serving millions every day.
Here are your fries.
Thanks. Next batch ready.
Production never stops. Efficiency drives the system. Automation organizes shipments. Logistics keeps everything moving. The supply chain spreads nationwide, delivering to every region.
Ready? Ready for the next order.
Prepared for cooking.
Fries are looking good.
In kitchens everywhere, the final step happens. Fresh fries rise from the fryer. Seasoned and ready. Prepared for the customer.
Order 95, ready.
Thank you.
Another order served. A simple meal for millions. Crispy, golden perfection. But the journey began far away. From farms to factories. And this is how modern factories turn potatoes into fries.